Hello, good afternoon. My name is Angelica Maria Vallejo Loaiza, the program Industrial Engineer, step 3, identify technology value, group 35, the presentation to Carlos Amezquita, the University Nacional Abierta y a Distancia, UNAD. The diagram, brainstorm the diagram, logistics, distribution channels, sociocultural actors, location, coverage, immersion and measurements. Okay. The recommendations: sales channels, short, long channels, local, regional, national, states, private side of the social economic, Owen or child, logistics and costs, strategies to reduce cost of transport, the CIMAF program of Union, okay. Alternative short channels at the local level and national, governmental agencies as clients, the store or point of sale, commercial architecture, distinction, attracting customers to the fair. A ways of different the premises with the framework of a fair. Catches things that attract attention. Yes, okay. Thank you. Bye.